Hi guys, hey, welcome back to our level 6 math. Today we're looking at lesson 114 on unit multipliers. Now this lesson is super cool. It's something I wish I'd known 40 years ago or 30 years ago. But it's a little bit hard to wrap your mind around. So I'm going to try to take it slowly so you can get it. If you get it, it's going to be awesome for the rest of your life because you're going to totally use this for lots of different things. All right, so a unit multiplier is simply a fraction that equals 1 and is written with two different units of measure. So, for example, 1 foot is the same thing as 12 inches. So if we write 1 over 1, or 1 over 12, it's the same thing. Now, we're not used to writing things this way, and that's why this is such a hard concept to get. We could also say 12 inches over 1 foot. Again, that's just equal to 1. Each of these fractions equals 1 because the numerator and the denominator are equal. Even though they're using different measures, they're equal in value, all right? So we can use unit multipliers to help us convert the unit of measures. So if we want to convert 60 inches to feet, we can take 60 inches over 1. So that's what we're trying to convert. And then we'll just take that unit multiplier. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, right? And so we want to do it the inverse. So the inches up here is on top, so you want inches down here so you can cross multiply. Now we simply take 60 and 12 and reduce those. 60 divided by 12 is 5, so we can just do 5 over 1. Then the inches and inches cancel out. 5 times 1 foot is 5 feet, and then 1 over 1 is 1, so we get 5 feet. Super cool that we can convert 60 inches to 5 feet. Now, you might say, well, can't you just take 60 inches and divide it by 12? Yeah, but this is why it works. And so on more complex problems, you can apply the same thing. Let's go ahead and look at this. Write two unit multipliers using the equivalent measures, 3 feet and 1 yard. That's easy. You just do 3 foot over 1 yard or 1 yard over 3 feet. Now, like that. Which unit multiplier would you use to convert 30 yards to feet? Well, if we're going to do 30 yards on top, we want 1 yard on bottom, right? So we do this one, the 1 yard on bottom to 3 feet. Now we can cross multiply, cross out the yards. 30 times 3 is 90 feet over 1. It was 90 feet. Okay, pretty easy. Convert 300 feet to yards using a unit multiplier. So again, we're going to have 30 feet over 1. So we want feet on the bottom. 1 foot is how many yards? It's only a 30 yards. So we'd say 1 yard on top equals 3 feet on bottom. That's how we'd set it up. So it'd look like this. We have 30 feet. And then here, 1 yard over 3 feet on bottom. So again, the feet cancel out. We can cross multiply. 30 divided by 3 is 10. Or 30 divided by 3 is 10. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now we have 10 times 1 yard equals 10 yards over 1. So it converts to 10 yards. And that's it. This is a really cool concept. Practice it today so you can get used to it. And hopefully this is something you can remember because it'll help you convert things for forever. It's really awesome. All right, good luck.